Are crowns required after root canal treatment? So crowns are basically full coverage restorations that completely restores the tooth and protects the tooth. Is it required to have a crown after root canal? This is Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry. If you have not yet subscribed to our channel, kindly subscribe to our channel. We've got videos coming in English on Tuesdays, Thursdays and Saturdays, and we have planned over the next 1 year 300 videos. So kindly do subscribe to our channel and support our channel. So let's get into this video. So why we do a root canal in the first place? Commonest reason is there is a tooth decay. Because of the decay, the tooth becomes non-restorable with just a restoration, and the decay progresses beyond the enamel to the deeper structures of the tooth structure. So when it moves from an outer surface to the deeper structures, the tooth structure becomes weakened. Why it gets weakened? Decay is nothing but softening of the tooth enamel and the different layers of the tooth. So because of the decay, the tooth structure weakens over a period of time. And then when we do a root canal on it, so now we have a tooth which is decayed and also a filling. And because of this root canal filling and the tooth structure, there are multiple interfaces between the different layers of the tooth. This multiple, when we bite on a tooth, when we chew on the teeth, because there are multiple interfaces, there can cracks develop and then the tooth can get weakened and then break away. So this is what happens when you restore a tooth after a root canal without a crown. So what does this crown does? The crown basically holds the entire tooth structure, the tooth, the root canal filling, and also what is called the core or the permanent filling on the tooth structure in one unit. So since this crown holds the entire tooth structure in one unit, it offers protection to the tooth, and so the tooth is more resistant to fracture and breakage. So a simple question is are crowns required after root canal? Yes, crowns are required after root canal. Now, are there any instances where we can avoid crowns? Yes, of course there are instances where we can avoid crowns. For sometimes, if it's a front teeth, sometimes a front teeth will require a root canal where there is no decay. During an early childhood trauma, like usually it happens with playing cricket or football, there is a hit to the front teeth, the front tooth changes color over a period of time, might end up necessitating a root canal there. So there when we do a root canal treatment, the tooth doesn't require a crown because the tooth structure is intact. The tooth structure is intact, so it doesn't require a crown. But for the purpose of changing the color, the tooth might require a laminate or a veneer so that the tooth is more aesthetic, so that the color matches. And in very rare instances on our back teeth, where all the walls of the tooth structure is intact and the root canal is necessitated for some other reason, then we can avoid a crown. Except for these two reasons and for a very few other reasons, mostly root canal is required, a crown is required after a root canal treatment. Dr. Arun signing off from Pearls Dentistry. Again, please do subscribe to our channel. And if you have a question, do write in the comment section below. And another common question people ask me is I need to get a bridge done. I need to get a crown done for various reasons. For me to get a crown done, is a root canal required? Let's look at that in our next video. Bye bye, Dr. Arun from Pearls Dentistry.
Do you like the video? Press the like button. Do subscribe and click on the bell icon to receive such videos. Thank you.